The use of neutral wires as switch loops in this configuration creates a potential issue called a phantom voltage or ghost voltage. This can occur when one switch is in the off position, leaving a small amount of voltage on the neutral wire that is connected to the other switch. When the other switch is turned on, this voltage can cause the fan to operate at a low speed or flicker. To eliminate this issue, you should remove one of the neutral wires from the switch loops. Here's how. Firstly, identify the neutral wire that is common to both switches. This is the white wire that is connected to the line neutral in both boxes. Secondly, disconnect the white wire from one of the switches. Thirdly, cap off the loose end of the white wire using a wire nut or electrical tape. Fourthly, test the fan to ensure that it is operating properly with no phantom voltage. With this revised wiring, only one neutral wire is used as a switch loop, eliminating the potential for phantom voltage and ensuring proper operation of the fan.